Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable administrator account in Windows 11. So first you need to do is open the command prompt as administrator. So we need to go to search field and type here CMD. Then command prompt will be displayed here. So we need to click right mouse button on it and we need to select here run as administrator. Then we need to type here a special command. You can find this command on the description of this video. You can copy and paste this command here. It is net user administrator active yes command, and then we need to press enter button to run this command. How you see, the command has been successfully completed. And now I recommend you to click right mouse button on icon with a Windows. You can go to shutdown or sign out, and I recommend you to select this one option, sign out. After that you will see that your administrator account has been successfully activated. But if you would like to disable this administrator account, you will need to type here another command. This command will be net user administrator active no. Then you need to press enter button, and how you see, the command has been successfully completed. So in this way you can enable or disable administrator account in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not your problem.